Hi, my name's Edward Perez with Pertex Roofing and Construction. We're located here in the Dallas DFW Metroplex, and if you want to call us, it's 214-734-6270, so we can do installs for your roof. So today what we're going to talk about is going to be roofing systems. At Pertex, we install roofing systems. We don't install mixed products, garbage, stuff like that to get the cheapest price. We like to install roofing systems, and I'm going to explain to you what that means. A roofing system, basically, what it is, whether you're installing CertainTeed, GAF, Atlas, Owens Corning, you install all their products, and that becomes a roofing system. It's more expensive, but you get a better warranty. So basically, you get a warranty for your clients, 15, 20 years, whatever it is, but it's a manufacturer warranty, which covers if manufacturer defects, they cover it, and it will replace your roof. At Pertex Roofing, we give you a 5-year workmanship warranty, and we stand by our warranty to the last day. You know, that's basically what you call a local roofer, local roofing contractor. Basically, we take care of our clients all the way through 5 years. So what we're going to talk about is, today we're installing CertainTeed. So CertainTeed products are, and I'm going to explain to you what it is. If you look here, this is your field shingle. CertainTeed, Landmark, and this is Max Def Weatherwood. Okay, here you got your starter. What is your starter? Is basically goes around your perimeter to start the product, to start roofing your field shingles up. Okay, that's the first thing it installs. Well, the first thing is this right here, Roof Runner CertainTeed synthetic underlayment. We don't install tar roofing or paper roofing. It's all synthetic. It's better to walk on. It doesn't tear, and when you put nail caps on it, it seals. So non-penetratable. So basically, then we install the starter. Then we start with the field shingle. But before all this, on your valleys, we install ice and water. And valleys, chimneys, around the chimneys, any area that's going to be penetratable by water, this will stop it. It'll seal it, and then we install, you know, your felt goes over it, and then your shingles. This right here is the last product we install. This is your hip and ridge. We don't install 3 tabs for hip and ridge. We don't install crap, ugly stuff. It's all goes with the line items of a warranty. Hip and ridge basically it's a flat piece of shingle, and you got three little pieces in there which are perforated. You break them, you take a ridge off, and you install on your ridges and hips. And also today, what they're doing, we have we tear down to the decking, and we take everything off. And this is part of getting a roofing system correct. You tear down to the decking. You basically repair any soft spots or rotted spots, because you need a solid surface to adhere your shingle by code. So anyways, give us a call. We're Pertex Roofing and Construction here in Dallas.